Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious and creamy arroz con leche. So in case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by grabbing our pot. We're going to set it on medium heat. Into our pot we're going to add 6 cups of water, 2 cinnamon sticks, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And we're just going to bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add 2 cups of white rice. Make sure that you rinse it, along with 1/2 cup of sugar. Mix it. We're going to reduce the heat to medium-low and allow it to cook between 15 to 20 minutes or until the water evaporates. Make sure you move it constantly so your rice don't stick. 20 minutes, the water should have evaporated. At this point, we are ready to now add the milk. So we're going to add 5 cups of milk. And also make sure that you check the rice and make sure that it's soft before adding the milk. We're going to add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of media crema, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Along with a splash of vanilla. And we're going to allow the milk to heat up. Alrighty guys, so after 20 minutes, our delicious arroz con leche is done. Now at this point you can serve it or wait until it cools down completely. I like to enjoy it while it's hot, so I am so ready to serve. Okay, so let's get ready to serve. And just keep in mind that when it cools down, it's going to soak in some of the milk. And if you don't like your rice to be very watery, then just add less milk. It's all preference on how you like it. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I'm just going to top it with a little cinnamon. I'm just going to grate it. Just like that. Garnish it with the cinnamon stick and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this recipe is seriously super easy. It's the easiest recipe you can ever make. And the best part is that I feel like anybody and everybody enjoys arroz con leche. You can have it, cold, warm, for breakfast, for lunch, dinner, snack, for whatever time of day. It is one of our favorites. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Super hot, but super delicious. The milk, the rice, everything. And the best part is that the rice is sweet, so it's not like you're eating bland rice. And then the milk, so good, so creamy, and it's just perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the most delicious arroz con leche. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.